Hello friend, today I purchased Nokia's stereo earphone WH-301. Without wasting your time, let's get started. Here's the bill. The price is written over here. It cost me around 800 rupees. Let's unpack it. Here's the box itself. Stereo earphones, built-in microphone with inline remote, exchangeable earbuds. Length of wire is 1.1 meter. Wasting your time, let's unbox it. Here's the earphones. Two extra pairs of earbuds. Let's keep this side. Check the earphones. It's metallic. It has 10 mm of dynamic driver and impedance of 16 ohm and frequency of 20 to 20 kHz. Here is a remote, and you can see that here is Nokia logo. Let's check the sound quality. Music. Enjoy my music.
Am I losing my mind? Gonna let me go. If this is not forever, at least we are together. I know I'm not alone. I know.
I hope you liked my video. Meet you in next videos. Till then, bye bye.